Donovan and I are out here at the Seven Islands State Birding Park. Got a quilt barn here, and we're going down to the river to cool down. The real field temperature today was over 100, and I was dang working on that garage all day, so now me and Donovan are going to have a little fun. All right guys, we'll see you when we get down to the river. My battery's down to 37%, so I don't want to film all the way out to it. What's going on, Pro Cutters? John and Donovan out here, and the water's high, so we're not walking out into the river. Just kind of dunked my head in and dunked Donovan in to cool us off. The freaking water feels amazing. It's you know, nice and cold because it's coming off of the mountains and also coming from the bottom of Lake Douglas when it comes through the dam. You know, it's, you know, pulling from the bottom of the lake, not the top of the lake that's heated up. So it's really cool, and you can see, I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but you can see the like fog a little bit on top of the water because the water is nice and cold and the air is hot. And man, there's just a ton of little bugs out. They're all from like 18 inches or so above the water up to who knows how far. But as many of them as there is, they're not bothering me, and they're not bothering Donovan at all. Which is a good thing. But man, it's beautiful. I'm thankful that we have this here, not too far from our house. It's a good spot to come and cool down. And judging by our trail coming in here, nobody's been using this spot, which is crazy because it's a killer spot. It's a little bit better when they're not generating because the water's down lower. But I mean, I could go out here deeper. I'd get my damn drawers wet if I wanted to. Now Donovan's following me in, but what are you doing, buddy? He's like, I don't know about this, Dad. But yeah, the current is quite swift. Well, here's the hoping the waterproofing works, because I just tested that out by shoving her underwater. There goes a duck. I don't know if I caught it on camera. That's one thing I like about the filming with my iPhone as opposed to the GoPro that I'm on right now. With the phone, you've got the ability to zoom, and as far as I know, you can't zoom in with the GoPro Hero 8. I could be wrong. Man, this damn water feels so good, guys. Wish y'all were here to cool down with this water, those of you that are hot. I know Ryan and them guys in Australia are in their winter season now, so they don't need to cool down in the river, but those of us in the northern hemisphere, yeah, this is a bloody hot one today. What are you doing, Donovan? What are you doing? Huh? Come here. Come here. Get you a little swim. Oh, Jesus Christ, Donovan, you pushed me in, you bastard. Look at him go. He's good job, Donovan. Good swim, buddy. Good swim, D. Good boy. And My iPhone's in my pocket, so I'm glad that's waterproof too, because it's been completely put underwater. And this is really my first time filming out with this GoPro. I've got it on my little floating handle that I had the cube on when I threw it down the river. So I apologize if the footage is too shaky or kind of all over the place, but you know, just getting used to it, having a good time out here. Like I said, mainly just cooling down with my dog, and haven't had dinner yet. I think we're getting Mexican from Don Marcos in Kodak. Pretty good spot. If you guys ever get to Sevier County, Tennessee, off of exit 407, if you're heading into Pigeon Forge, the first shopping center you're gonna come to, it'll be on your left hand side. It'll have a Food City in it, and there's a little Mexican place in there called Don Marcos, and it's very good. So if you ever get over this way, you're off of exit 407 and I-40 in Kodak, Tennessee, give Don Marcos a try. They're really good. Friendly, helpful staff, courteous, fast, not slow and lame like a lot of service places in Sevier County. It's sad but true. I live here, so I could talk crap about them. But at any rate, just going to hang out here a little bit longer with my dog. Thanks, guys. And you can see this current is too strong because Donovan is swimming his ass off and he's still moving away from me. To the side, D. To the side. To the side. Good boy. You got it, son. Good boy. Good boy, Donovan. This current is strong, huh, buddy? Strong current. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy, Donovan. Yes, you are. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this on the GoPro 8, but there's just a doe and a baby deer right on the trail. Now they're running up into the brush there. Here in the state birding park, they know they're safe here. No hunting or anything allowed in here, so she's right up there, guys. Don't know if you could see her on GoPro or not. She got a little baby with her, still in spots. I'm really hoping you guys can hear the birds and the bugs over my footsteps and breathing. A lot of bunny action out here. This dumb little bugger. I don't know who's stupider, Donovan. That bunny for waiting so long to run, or you for not even smelling it or seeing it. Boy, Donovan had the piss and vinegar in him after he was cooled down by the river. That bunny he saw. 3 of them right here. Can't believe he's just looking at him and not going after him. Oh hell. He was going for it. Come on, Donovan, you can't do that, son. They're protected. It's in the park, fool. About to get me a damn little drinky drink. I have to edit out my slurping, but that damn water fountain don't run very hard, so you got to suck in the dang water. Man, bunny action all over the place. Let me go over here and get you guys some video of these zinnias. There's a whole big zinnia garden that they've got planted out here, and man, just all different colors. Real pretty. All the way down there. I know TC from TC Films will appreciate this clip with the flowers. Come on, Donovan. Hey. Dude, we're done. We're going to the truck, fool. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on, D. Come on. Now we're coming back to the quilt barn, the back side of it. Another bunny trucking across there. Let's go through the barn. I'd like to fly the Mavic Mini over here, but I asked one of the park rangers if you were able to fly drones in here, and they said negative, which is kind of lame, but it is what it is. Ain't that right, Viper 6? Just state park, their rules. They say they're basically following the example of the national park and no drone flying, which I really don't understand why. Especially a damn Mavic Mini. Hell, it's so small and so quiet, you're really not interfering with anybody. You can't fly a drone in there, but you could damn smoke cigarettes. No offense, Montana drone, but man, I just hate the way them damn things smell. You know, you're hiking to get some dang exercise and fresh air. Oh, good. I did remember to lock my truck. I was wondering that. When I got halfway to the river, I was like, did I lock the truck? It was too hot, and I was already halfway there, so I wasn't damn turning around to check. I just said a little prayer that, hey, Lord, let me have locked the truck, and if I didn't lock the truck, Lord, don't let any scumbags come checking door handles. Go on, load up, Donovan. And thankfully for me, I did lock the truck. So it's here. I have a way to get home. I don't have to call Mrs. ProCut. But that's it. I'm gonna cut it off, and thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys.